Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's called the silt stitch, and it's a 2-row repeat. First you're crocheting row 1, and then it's a row 2 and 3 row. It's row 2 and row 3 you have to repeat for this pattern. So this is what I want to show you. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So let's get started. I've got my yarn and I've got a crochet hook number 3.5 millimeters. First make a slip stitch, and this pattern calls for multiples of 3 and then plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is a multiples of 3 and then plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're skipping the first 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch we're making a double crochet. So the 3 you skipped counts as a double crochet. And in every other stitch we are making a double crochet. So this will be a row 1 with only double crochets. So in the last stitch a double crochet, and that will be row 1. So for row 2, chain 1, turn your work. This chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. In the first stitch make a single crochet, and in that same stitch make 2 times a double crochet. This will be the silt stitch. So it looks like this. Skip 2 stitches and in the next stitch do the same. So 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. It's 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet and 2 times a double crochet. Continue this for the rest of your row until you are having 3 stitches left. And then I'll show you how to end this row before we are going to the next row. Oh, there goes my yarn. Okay. So you have 3 stitches left, 1, 2, and this chain 3 over here. Then that last stitch over here, make 1 single crochet. like this. So this is how row 2 looks like. And now we are going to row 3, chain 3, turn your work. This counts as a double crochet. So in the first stitch you made a double crochet by chaining 3. So in the next stitch make a double crochet. And in every other stitch make a double crochet. Don't forget about the last stitch over here. So this is your row 3. And now we're going to repeat row 2 and row 3. So chain 1, turn your work. In the first stitch make a single crochet and 2 times a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the next stitch make a single crochet and 2 times a double crochet, all in that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch make a single crochet and 2 times a double crochet. Continue this until you have 3 stitches left. So I have 1, 2, 3 stitches left, so the chain 3 is the last stitch, and on top of the chain 3 make a single crochet, and then your row is completed. So once more for the next row, chain 3, this counts as a double crochet. So this double crochet, the chain 3, is on top of the first stitch, so in the next stitch make a double crochet, and in every other stitch make a double crochet. So continue these rows until your work is long enough as you want it to be, and end with a row 3, so your work will be nice and straight, because the row 2 is a little bit scalloped. And don't forget about the last stitch, or you won't get a nice pattern out of here. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below, and I hope you are crocheting with me. I'm curious what you are making with this pattern or with any of my other patterns, and I hope to see you soon with a new stitch. Bye bye.